Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the microbial diseases. What you need to know. Okay. If you any type of doubt regarding microbial diseases, then you ask me question or write down the question on WhatsApp. Okay. So pathogenic organisms, microorganisms cause diseases. They are known as pathogenic microorganisms. That is bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa. So today we focus on bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases, most common type of diseases that caused by mainly from the bacteria is cholera, diarrhea, pneumonia, diphtheria, whooping cough, tuberculosis, anthrax, tetanus, plague, leprosy, and typhoid. First, we discuss about the bacterial disease, that is the cholera. The cholera is the bacterial disease caused by the microorganism or the bacteria, that is Vibrio cholerae, and it mainly affected our intestine. Okay, how it spread? How the cholera disease is spread? People, it mainly spread through water and contaminated food. Okay, and these microorganisms are mainly comes through the water medium, and when we drink it, or it can be enter into the body through the contaminated food material. Then treatment, uh, salt solution and intravenous fluid, antibiotics are taken for its treatment. And it mainly, these bacteria are mainly affect the body, that is the intestinal area, and they form the toxin, and it prevent intestine from the absorbing water from digested foods, and causing mainly diarrhea, vomiting, etc. And in some cases the cramping of intestine also. There another bacterial disease is tetanus. The causative agent is the Clostridium tetani. Tetanus. What happen actually in tetanus diseases? Actually, this bacteria, that is the Clostridium tetani, form one type of toxin, and it mainly affect the nervous system, or block that toxin, block the nerve signal in our body. It genuinely comes through the contaminated soil, or a junk through, or any injured parts of body, it enter to our body and affect the our nerves. Then come to the leprosy. Leprosy is also another type of bacterial disease. It mainly caused by the bacteria, that's name is Mycobacterium leprae. According to leprae, the species name, the disease is known as leprosy. It mainly damages our skin and peripheral nervous systems. So when we touch any place, we cannot have the sensation. Okay, and many times it also form the nodule in our skin. About the Mycobacterium leprae, the Mycobacterium leprae is a bacteria, is long in size, and its incubation period is too long, and it is the gram positive type of bacteria and slightly curved in shape, and it genuinely found in single form or bunch or group form. Okay, and it produce a thicky waxy coating in skin, and it majorly affect our skin, peripheral nervous system, mucus, and upper respiratory tract, and also even eyes. These are some pictures of diseases leprosy and Mycobacterium tuberculosis affected the how it affect our skin. Some important facts of leprosy, that is leprosy is not a genetical disease, so it cannot be transmitted from one parent to offspring. And most of people with a leprosy do not have other family member affected, although occasionally several members of one family are affected. So it only transmitted or contaminated, but it is then not a genetic disease. Patients on medicine for the leprosy do not spread that disease. So when we use the medicine for leprosy properly, then it also checked. When a person is placed on the medication, most of the bacteria are killed within a few days, and within the 2 weeks, it's starting from the medicine, there the no risk of spreading of these diseases. Okay, so in January 30, we are uh, observed as the leprosy day, World Leprosy Day. That is January 30. So the biggest disease is today is not the leprosy or tuberculosis, but rather it is the feeling of being unwanted. So disease is in mainly in our mind. With love and care, we can finish or destroy the disease. Mother Teresa. Then pneumonia, another type of severe or dangerous disease caused by bacteria is pneumonia. It affected in various age group. It may be affected the mainly infant or the kids, also in adult. 99% of pneumonia death in children 5 years occur in the low and middle income countries, mainly Pakistan, Nigeria, China, India, all these. How it transmitted? It mainly transmitted through the droplet or cough or that is the split. It affect the pneumococcus, mainly affected our lungs, and mainly it affected area is the inside the lungs, that is the alveoli portion. Back here we have the clear image about the cause of pneumonia. Uh, Mainly it affect the lungs, that is the alveoli zone, and produce a high amount of fluid. So there is the problem in taking air properly, or block the area where we take oxygen. Then Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a bacterial disease, and it is also mainly transmission through the droplets through air, enter our body and multiplicate inside our body, and from produce the granules or necrosis. And necrosis means it destroy the affected area, and the disease is caused by, that is the TB. Here the germ is very awake and causing harm to the body. If we can say, TB or tuberculosis is the very common in India. Almost one-fourth populations mainly affected by the disease. And some symptoms about TB is the sweating at night, have fever, and lose appetite, weight loss, extreme tiredness, cough more than 3 weeks.